Look at this time-lapse of a skyscraper assembling itself. Raw steel beams instantly lock into a polished tower in seconds. That exact level of automated construction is what Google's hidden AI tool now does for branding. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to use it to generate a live landing page, compile a professional brand book, and launch Google ad campaigns. We will build this entire architecture using just 2 raw starting materials. First, we have our primary AI hustle logo, and second, a single portrait photo of Coach BK Han. Normally, extracting a cohesive marketing pipeline from 2 images requires hiring an agency, coordinating teams, and spending thousands of dollars. By deploying this specific workflow, that financial barrier to entry drops to exactly 0. This glowing digital grid right here represents our starting point, a completely clean workspace waiting to be populated. Head over to the Pomelli dashboard. Most users paste their current website link here, but we are going to bypass that entirely. Click the small button that says No Website Yet. From the 2 options presented, select Build from Scratch. This activates the Pomelli agent, a dedicated chat interface that will act as your creative director. Drag and drop your primary brand mark and the founder portrait directly into the chat. These serve as the visual anchors the AI needs to understand your aesthetic. To sharpen its understanding, type out a highly detailed prompt. Tell the agent exactly who your target audience is, specify your desired tone, and explicitly state your preferred colors. As you hit send, watch the dashboard. It instantly populates with specific hex codes and typography rules extracted directly from your uploaded identity assets. The agent will also generate 3 distinct tagline options based on your prompt. Review them carefully and click the one that best fits your brand's verbal identity to lock it in. Taking the time to be precise with this initial data intake dictates your entire output. A detailed prompt guarantees a distinct premium identity, whereas a vague one will yield a generic template. Now that the core DNA is set, navigate to the Campaigns tab. In the prompt bar, write a custom text brief asking for a campaign to promote an upcoming AI masterclass targeting working professionals. Below the prompt box, change the aspect ratio to 9:16. This ensures the output is perfectly sized for vertical social media stories and reels. Review the vertical posters it generates. The AI autonomously pulled the AI Hustle logo and cleanly integrated the portrait of Coach BK Han into the layouts. You might notice a few common generation errors here, like text that looks a bit cramped or a layout that feels slightly messy before final refinement. To resolve this, click the Fix Layout button below the creative. The tool instantly adjusts the spacing and composition on its own. Once the layout is clean, click the download arrow in the top right corner to save the polished creatives as high-resolution PNG files. Pomelli operates as an automated design quality assurance layer. It handles the minor formatting iterations that normally eat up hours of manual design work. Next, click on the Brand Book section in the left sidebar. The system provides several cover options. Select a rich, textured cover to give the document a professional feel. Select your logo and the founder portrait to serve as the supporting visual evidence inside the multi-page brand guidelines. Click Confirm and scroll through the generated book. You have distinct sections mapping out your exact color palettes, clear sizing rules, and minimum clear space for the logo, and a codified brand voice. Go to the top right corner and click the Publish toggle. This creates a public, shareable web link that you can send directly to freelancers or new employees. Compiling these rules into a central document immediately elevates a solo operation. You now have a scalable business asset that maintains strict consistency as your team grows. Open the Websites tab to establish the final stage of your digital infrastructure. Without writing a single line of code, the tool drafts a full landing page in under 60 seconds. Click Preview in New tab to see exactly what a visitor experiences. The Hero section prominently features the portrait, and the typography and buttons perfectly match the color scheme derived from the AI Hustle logo. This diagram shows the logic behind the Connected Apps panel. By integrating your Google Ads account here, you link your Creative Hub directly to your distribution network. With that connection active, every campaign you generate can be pushed straight into live ad circulation without ever leaving the browser interface. You bypass downloading, uploading, and managing assets across different platforms. This integration collapses multiple software silos into a single, unified marketing pipeline. In minutes, we took 2 raw image files and generated a cohesive set of assets that are ready for immediate deployment. Like a single glowing seed erupting into a root system, A tiny input fed into this AI tool triggers a massive network of digital outputs. You have successfully automated the production of your brand's core visual assets directly inside your web browser, completely for free. Mastering these hidden AI integrations is the new baseline. For any modern business, consolidating these fragmented creative tasks into a single browser tab is what makes high-volume marketing sustainable.